Peter, Not Your Average Guy. You are watching the Never Mind Your Own YouTube channel. And I'm in Israel. I haven't been able to film a lot because I had a big issue. It's kind of okay now. I'm at Megiddo, better known as Armageddon. And this is a hill or a tell, archaeological hill. It's a very strategic location because all the way to the south are many hills. And there is a big plain over here. So you can see from all sides. You have a very good overview. So if there's any army coming from the north, you can just see them very soon before they reach you. And therefore, from very early on, there was a city or a village or a stronghold being built by the Assyrians. And then the Israelites took over, like King Solomon. The Romans have been here and everything. And now it's just one big archaeological hill. I just want to fly a little bit around here. I had hoped to be able to get on a higher spot, but it is not possible because the village here is gated, so I cannot get in. So I'm gonna fly from a lower spot, and I can't go too far anyway, but I think it will give a good view on the hill and on the area. It's very bright, so you can see very far at the moment, and enjoy.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So there we go. So this is it. This is the hill of Megiddo. And right here you can see the drinking water system. They dig a big hole so they could keep having water. And as you can see from this area, you can have an excellent view all the way around. You see that? From left over here to the right, all the way like this, you can see everything. So it's a very good and a very strategic location. And they found walls and entrances and gates and houses and temples and stables and all that kind of stuff. And what's just very nice, I am allowed to fly here. It's not forbidden. It's one of the few places where you can, one of the few historical places where you can fly. So I'm very happy about that. I'm just gonna make a turn around it. Just like this. So you can see all of it. Alright, it's only very short, guys, but short flight, but that's it, and I don't want to disturb people too much. Okay guys, I hope you like my little explorations. If so, give the video a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. Oh wow, this car is going up there. I thought about doing that, but it's only a simple rental car. Anyways, see you on the next video, wherever that might be. Bye.